Hey everybody, hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's video is something a little different than what you've been seeing for the past couple days, but it's a video about the importance of using the correct antifreeze in your car. Because let's face it, cars are designed to run with certain things. Toyota has a certain one they like. Some Hondas and Acuras have some that they call for specifically. But the one thing that you just got to do, it doesn't matter which one you use, is use the correct one. And don't mix them. If you have an orange one, don't put a green one in it. Doesn't matter if it says it's universal and will work with it or not. If you're going to do that, go ahead and flush your whole system and then switch it over to that universal type. Because you know, everything's not available in every area. Let's just put it that way. But I'm going to show you a quick video of what happens when you use the wrong kind or no kind. Because, you know, old school guys would put just straight water in there, radiators and stuff. Used to, the radiators and the water pumps and all that stuff were made out of completely different materials. You can no longer do that. Doesn't matter what anybody tells you, you can no longer do that. And here is proof of why. This is why you always maintain and follow directions on stuff. Do not put water in the radiator. Prime example. Now I got to pull the tensioner because there's a water tube that goes through there. I got to replace the thermostat and possibly the radiator, and eventually maybe even the heater core. We'll see. Mess, wasn't it? That's the second one in 2 days I've had to do. And I know I'll end up having to do this one too. I've had to replace the water pump, the thermostat, and I know I'm going to end up having to replace the heater core before winter time because it's going to stop up and they're not going to get any heat. So by all means, use antifreeze and use the correct kind. It is so very important. You wouldn't think that your car relies on something so much, but it does, trust me. But I just wanted to pass that little tidbit of information on, and I'm going to head home. I just got off work, so you guys have a more than wonderful and blessed afternoon, rest of your day, rest of your week, whatever it is when you watch this video. And until next time, get out and enjoy those cars. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.